Since it became popular a few years ago, the crypto industry has continued to grow and change at a very fast rate. Because of this, the industry has become a place where many talented people want to work. Those who don't know how to use their interest in crypto could be scared away from this industry if they don't know how to go about it. Let's take a quick look at how to build a career in crypto and what you can do to be the best in the field. How to get started in crypto. People think that only people who can code work in the crypto space because it is very technical. But there are a lot of job opportunities in space, and the paths become clearer and more interesting as you progress. Therefore, you don't have to rule out the chances of building a successful crypto career, as there might be a space for you in the industry. Let's look into some sectors in which you can specialize as you build a crypto career. 1. Mining sector. If you are a tech-inclined fellow who seeks a practical career in the crypto industry, the crypto mining sector would interest you. Crypto mining usually involves solving computational puzzles to generate and maintain data. Hence, it could be an attractive sector for anyone with prior engineering knowledge. In this line, you can take up roles like being a data engineer, network engineer, tech support engineer, and many more. 2. Marketing sector. This sector offers opportunities to skilled individuals who are not blockchain savvy. Usually, strong writing ability and knowledge of crypto networks are needed to kickstart a career in the marketing sector. To thrive in this sector, you must be able to present technical content in the most understandable and comprehensive form. Here are many jobs you can take on in this sector. You can be a content writer, research analyst, social media manager, graphic designer, community manager, and many more. 3. The crypto or blockchain development sector. The available careers in the sector require extensive expertise in programming languages, artificial intelligence, machine learning, and blockchain systems. The roles are very lucrative but highly demanding. You can fast-track your career by taking up roles as a junior developer, Solidity developer intern, graduate full-stack developer, blockchain legal assistant, etc. 4. Trading sector. Many people are starting to look into trading as it presents an interesting career path. Traders make speculations on the price of cryptocurrencies to make a profit. The market is open 24 hours every day, and thousands of tokens are worth considering, presenting endless opportunities for trading experts. You can take on trading as a full-time job, and it could also be a form of passive income. Traders can access different trading products like spots, futures, and options depending on their trading strategies and risk appetite. That's all for today. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you next time.